they were just taking a little break there. These two have some of the highest energy I've seen all morning long. Hey, buddy. Anyways, hey guys, it's Jason with Kingdom Dogs, and I've got two beautiful Cavapoos with me, and they want nothing but to be right in my lap. Anyways, so on the left, we've got Thor. That is Mr. Thor right over there. He's got a little bit smoother of a coat than his brother does, and that's Tanner. Look at those big fluffy curls on Tanner. Hey, buddy. Tanner? Nope, not interested. His brother's getting into something else. And Thor. Hey, Thor. They're not going to call me now, or come to my calls now, of course. Only when I want them to do something else, huh? So anyways, these are two 11-week-old red Cavapoos, light red. They're brothers. They were born February, I'll have to check in on that, February 4th? Yeah, it's not that important. February 9th, of course, found it right there. February 9th, and they are, of course, spayed and neutered. They're current on their vaccinations. They are microchipped as well. They are siblings. They are chewing on some puppy toys right now. Make sure that you pick them up, or else they will be your favorite pair of tennis shoes, or your daughter's stuffed bunny rabbit. And since they're puppies, no big deal. They haven't been able to tear these things up too much, or much at all, but I guarantee them, give them another 4 months and they will most certainly rip the stuffing out of that little guy over there. Even the Care Bear, and that's from the 80s. That thing was built to last. I bet it, if they weren't puppies, they'd be gone. So that's our boys. All right, they're the last two in this litter. Trudy and King are the parents. You can check out their photos on our website, kingdomdogs.com. All the information's in the description below the video. So check them out. Give us a call if you have any questions, or simply send us an email. And that's probably the best way of getting in touch with us is email, because the number is a house phone or a landline. And that's our boys. So that's Thor and Tanner. Tanner, hey buddy. So yeah, I'll call that a wrap, okay guys? Call us if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you then, okay? Bye.